Here I have Panasonic Eluga i3 and let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use the apps icon, scroll down and choose here settings. From the following options you need to scroll down again and choose Backup and Reset. Here you need to tap Network Settings Reset. And this will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, cellular data and Bluetooth. If you are aware of this, let's tap Reset Settings and begin the whole process by tapping Reset Settings again. That's it, network settings have been reset, so now you can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.